Hey everyone, ever wondered why your credit score matters so much? Whether you're getting a loan, applying for a credit card, or even renting an apartment, your credit score plays a huge role. In this video, we'll break down what influences your credit score and how it affects your borrowing power. Let's get started. What is a credit score? A credit score is a 3-digit number that represents your creditworthiness. That is, how responsible you are with borrowed money. Most lenders use FICO or Vantage score models, which range from 300 to 850. The higher your score, the better. What influences your credit score? Your credit score is influenced by 5 key factors. Payment history, 35%. Do you pay your bills on time? Late payments can lower your score. Credit utilization, 30%. This is how much of your available credit you're using. Experts recommend keeping it under 30%. Length of credit history, 15%. The longer your credit history, the better. It shows lenders you're experienced with credit. New credit inquiries, 10%. Applying for too many credit accounts at once can hurt your score. Credit mix, 10%. Having different types of credit, like credit cards, auto loans, and mortgages, can help boost your score. How does your credit score affect borrowing? Loan approvals. A higher score increases your chances of getting approved. Interest rates. The better your score, the lower your interest rates, saving you money. Credit limits. Lenders may offer you higher limits if you have a strong credit score. Renting job opportunities. Some landlords and even employers check credit scores. How to improve your credit score? Want to boost your credit score? Here's how. Pay bills on time. Set up autopay to avoid missed payments. Keep credit utilization low. Try to use less than 30% of your credit limit. Don't close old accounts. Older accounts help your credit history. Limit new credit applications. Too many inquiries can lower your score. Check your credit report regularly. Look for errors and dispute them if needed. And that's a wrap. Understanding and maintaining a good credit score can open doors to better financial opportunities. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more financial tips. Got questions about credit scores? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next video.